Yes, you are audible. हे बंद करून टाक.
It's over here.
Hello.
And all my dear. So,
Samiksha, you are not audible.
hello, ma'am.
Huh?
Now,
Yes,
am I
yes,
audible?
yes, yes. You are audible now.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, yes. You can start.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Respected human beings, faculty members, and all my dear friends. I am honored and privileged to share that G.H. Raisoni Institute of Business Management, formerly known as G.H. Raisoni Institute of Engineering and Management, is autonomous now. I am delighted to say that our institute is the first autonomous institute in the region, occupying a very good NAC score. And on the top of that, we are always ahead in organizing webinars, STTP on recent topics, which will definitely lead to a bright future. So, from today onwards till 17th October, we are having STTP on. Hello.
Yes, yes. You are audible, beta. Continue.
From today onwards, we are having STTP on cybersecurity and digital forensics under Center of Excellence of IoT. The best thing which will definitely grab your attention is that all experts from India and abroad will be part of STTP to guide us all, as well as international certified cybersecurity expert talks are also there. So, I, Samiksha Sharma, student of CSA department, welcome all of you on the behalf of CSA department. Now, I would like to request Professor Sola to address us. Please, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Samiksha. So I heartily welcome all the participants of STTP, which is on cybersecurity and digital forensics. Actually, GH Raisoni Institute of Business Management, which is formerly known as Raisoni Institute of Engineering and Management, is always ahead in organizing the various webinars STTP on the recent topics. Our main aim is that all our students, all stakeholders should get benefit from whatever we can do for all of them. So the cyber security and digital forensic is the area which is also very recent and hot topic. You all know that recently we have organized webinar as well as workshop on machine learning and artificial intelligence as well. So that was also one of the very successful STTP which we have done. And then we came with the thought that yes, we should have one more STTP on cyber security and digital forensic, as it is also a very good topic where students can have their career at very wide level. We are very blessed to say that our STTP is blessed by the will be blessed by the guidance of the academicians from the premier institutes, as well as we are having the industry persons who are the cyber security researcher and who are actively participating in cyber law investigations and consulting, as well as security analyst. So I welcome all of you to this STTP, and I request you all to attend all the sessions because every session is very fruitful. As today is our first day, we will have our session at 3 p.m. today, because today's expert talk will be delivered by the researcher from China, and that's why we have to arrange that particular timing, and because of that we have organized this particular session in the afternoon today. So I request you all that you all are part of our WhatsApp group, where we are posting all the details of our STTP, as well as we will be posting day by day schedule. So I welcome you all. If you feel any problem, so please do ping me personally. I welcome our director, Dr. Preeti Agrawal. We are very blessed to have presence of ma'am. So I will request ma'am to address us.
Hello. So, it's a pleasure to welcome the speaker, the resource person for the security. It's a proud privilege to have you at the Rasomi Institute of Technology. As you said, that so this cybersecurity is the topic nowadays because most of the targets we are seeing in social media and internet, and many a times the young generation, the generation of today, so unknowingly they got trapped into the wrong means, and they, and then other side of and for a game just for fun we try to mingle with the passwords and other social media accounts of some person, friends or organization. Again we face the problem, the situation, the consequences which we face are devastating. So this cyber security which you have is going to help the children in our teachers, the students get, and all the best to the resource person, and can be sure that you will see that the take from a very fruitful and it's very fruitful workshop today. Over to you, Sandeep.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sparing your valuable time with us. Ma'am is always guiding us for organizing such webinars and STTP, and that gives us a very good platform for our students to gain the knowledge. So, thank you so much, ma'am. Over to you, Samiksha.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sonal, ma'am. Thank you, Preeti, ma'am. Now, the link of the today's session will be shared in the group, so stay updated. Today, we are having our session on blockchain technology. So, thank you all of you for for sparing your valuable time. Thank you so much.
So thank you everyone. I will be sharing the link in the group, and we will have our today's session from 3 p.m. and from tomorrow onwards our session will be at 11 a.m. daily. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you very much.